In this video, we will write linear equations in slope-intercept form when given a graph by finding the slope and the y-intercept. Slope-intercept form, remember, is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So in order to find the equation of the line, we need to be able to find what the value of the slope is and what the value of the y-intercept is. So from the graph, the y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So here, b is 0, -3. So our b value in our equation will be -3. We're given 2 points here that we can find the rise and the run from. The rise is 3, the run is 1, therefore our slope is a +3. Once we know what our m and b values are, then we can just plug them in to our equation. Y equals mx plus b. For this example, our y-intercept is 0, +2, which means our b value is 2. Our slope, as we count the rise and the run, is going to be up 3, left 2, which makes a slope of -3/2. So now we know our slope and our y-intercept, and we plug those into our y equals mx plus b form, our slope-intercept form. All right, we have a few more examples here. In this equation, our y-intercept is +1, and our slope, we go up 3, but left 1, which makes a slope of -3. So y equals -3x plus 1 is our equation of the line. Here, our y-intercept is 0. This line passes through the origin. So we know that our b value will be 0. To count our slope, I'm going down 3 and to the right 3. So -3 over +3 is a -1. So the equation of the line should be y equals -1x, and we don't write the +0 for the y-intercept. In this example, our y-intercept is a +2. That's where our line crosses the y-axis. To find the slope, we're going to go down 2 and to the left 5. So a -2 over a -5 becomes a +2/5 x plus 2 for that y-intercept. In this example here, we have a y-intercept of +1, so we know our b value is +1. If we find the slope, we can go up 2 and to the left 3, which makes a positive rise but a negative run, which makes our slope a -2/3 x, and our b value of +1.